Here are some Ankara earrings that I'll be teaching you in the online training. I mean, you can't find this anywhere on YouTube. Trust me, if I search waterproof Ankara bags, you can't find this anywhere. Like, take a look. I promise you. And I take pride in the fact that my brand is the only brand doing this right now. The very first brand that came up with this solution for Ankara bags. Like, this is amazing. Just take a look. And it has the same for the bag too. Like, it's amazing. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bolaji Precious. I am an Afrocentric accessory designer and I am here to tell you some questions asked concerning my online training. Okay, so if you are new here, please click that subscribe button. I love you. Welcome. Everything Ankara bags and earrings, Afrocentric accessories. I'm your girl. So please subscribe for more content about Afrocentric accessories. And if you're my bestie here, thank you for logging in. Thank you. Mwah. Much appreciated. Alright, so getting into the video today, I'll be answering some common questions asked by you guys when you have interest in my online training. Okay, so I'll be taking a few minutes to answer those questions. So pardon this paper. This is what the questions are. Alright, so if you are new here, that means you don't know me. My name is Bolaji Oluwadunsin. Once again, I am an Afrocentric accessory designer in Nigeria, the founder of Dunsin Crafts. Dunsin Crafts is a sustainable Afrocentric accessory brand that manufactures and designs beautiful waterproof Ankara bags and accessories. We design our bags with fabrics such as African fabrics such as AFRICAN-ANKARA-ASOOKE. Just think of its name, it's any African fabrics. We and quality leather. Okay, so I have some online training going on and there's been a lot of questions about it, and I said, okay, let me come here and record a video so whoever is interested in learning how to make these bags and accessories should like direct them to this place. All right, so why am I the best trainer for you? I'm the best trainer for you because I have trained over 1,000 people, yes, in Nigeria, on how to make Afrocentric accessories. As an undergraduate, I trained my fellow undergraduates on entrepreneurship and how to make Ankara bags. If I can get the pictures, I'm going to link it to the video. I'm going to show you the video. I'm also a site trainer, an NYC site trainer. So NYC, that's the National Youth Service Corps in Nigeria. Now, I train these corpers on how to make Ankara bags, and in 4 days, they make their bags and earrings. And I'm also going to link some pictures and videos to this video for you to see them. So I have the experience and I have the professionalism to teach you and to let you learn and to make you learn. So unlike other trainings you've been a part of, this is going to be very impactful. This is going to be very different. And yes, my students start making their bags within 3 to 4 days of beginning their training. So be rest assured. So things you will learn in this online training. So there is a course outline. So in this training, you will learn how to make a laptop bag, a drawstring bag, a backpack, or you can call it school bag. You can learn how to make earrings. You learn how to make earrings. Then you also learn how to make earrings waterproof. Like this earring I have on, it is waterproof. So I'll be teaching you how to make this earring in this video, in this training, not in this video, in the online training. I'll be teaching you how to make your Ankara earrings waterproof, and I'll also be teaching you how to make your Ankara bags waterproof. So it's a fully packed online training. Okay, now to the questions that are commonly asked. So common question number 1, is it an online training? Yes, it is an online training. Number 2 question, do you have physical trainings? For now, no, we don't have physical trainings for now. When does the training start? Immediately you added to the platform, your training starts, because the videos have already been uploaded on the group. Alright, so immediately you are added to the platform, you have access to all the videos, so you start training you start learning immediately, and you will learn at your own pace because the videos are always there and you will always have access to the videos. And in case of maybe you lose your phone or you lose access to the videos, well, we already have your name to the registration. We'll confirm your name and then add you back to the platform. That's simple. So you have a lifetime access to the videos. Number 4 question: what should I be expecting? You'll be expecting to learn how to make laptop bags, school bags, drawstring bags, earrings, and you'll be learning how to make them from scratch. So what you should be expecting is the materials will be in pieces form, and at the end of the training they will be in the finished form. So everything will be explained to you step by step, like explained step by step, like every process. There is no rush through, and the duration of each video is about 45 to 70 minutes. So it is very, very detailed for a beginner. Every measurement will be given to you, the names of the materials will be introduced to you, and even where you can buy them in your area. I mean, it is very detailed video. Okay, how is this going to be different from free trainings on YouTube? So when you come to YouTube and you search for how to make this bag, sometimes they don't give you the measurements for the bags, and those that do, they rush through the process, okay? And then you can't contact the person that trained you and say, hey, I have some questions. They might choose to respond, they might choose not to respond. But if you partake in this training, I mean, you have unlimited access to me. Every detail you need has been included in the video, and even if you have a question in the middle of the night, yes, I'm available. You're my student and it is what you paid for. So you have free access to me anytime to ask me questions on what you don't understand. Yes, and also another important thing that makes this training invaluable is that the waterproof Ankara earrings like this, nobody else in Nigeria does it. So let me just put that out there, and it is included in this training. You can't get that anywhere else. Here are some Ankara earrings that I'll be teaching you in the online training. I mean, you can't find this anywhere on YouTube. Trust me, if I search waterproof Ankara bags, you can't find this anywhere. Anywhere. Like, take a look. I promise you. And I take pride in the fact that my brand is the only brand doing this right now. The very first brand that came up with this solution for Ankara bags. Like, this is amazing. Just take a look. And it has the same for the bag too. Like, it's amazing. And then the next question is, how much does materials cost? It varies based on location because there are different markets with different prices, right? But I would say, to encourage you, I would say most of the materials used to make these bags, they are very similar. So the leather you use for laptop bag, you can also use for the backpack. So let's say you buy 1 yard of leather. 1 yard of leather now is like 1,500 naira in naira, right? Let's say you buy that, you can't use all that leather to make that laptop bag. I mean, for practice. So you can also use it for the backpack. So it reduces the amount of money you spend to buy materials for your practice. Okay. What machine do I need to practice with? You can use the basic normal butterfly sewing machine, but you have to ask your machine repairman to help you set the machine to leather sewing, you know, because as you begin to sew, the thickness of the leather and all of that might not work with the normal thin fabric you've been using the machine to sew. So they have to reset it to be able to sew heavy duty stuff. Yeah, that's the term. But if you have an industrial machine, that is fine, that is perfect, you are good to go. Next question, what platform will the training take place? So you'll be added to the Telegram channel for Johnson Crafts, and then the videos, the links to the videos are already there, right? The videos are actually here on YouTube, but they have been unlisted, so you can't see them unless you are given access to the videos. Okay, and then to point this out, whenever you come across this video, I don't care if it is year 2030 or you're 2035. As long as you're watching this video and you're interested in learning these beautiful waterproof Ankara earrings, I encourage you to contact me. I'll be leaving my details down below. You can message me on Instagram, you can message me on WhatsApp, like you chat with me directly. Okay, I'm encouraging you to partake in the training. You have a lot to learn, and when you watch these free videos on YouTube, DIY videos, they don't really break things down for you. They don't tell you, oh, this material, this is this material, this is the name of this material, this is what this material is called, and this is where you can buy it from in your local market, right? Those are not there. You can't contact the person that is teaching the DIY one-on-one. You can't call them on the phone, right? Because it's free content. But when you join this training, everything has been broken down step by step, detailed. Anything we're used to, the measurements, there is a board with the materials written all over. You have access to everything you need to learn, right? And right now my students are already making what they've been practicing, which is amazing, because that's good news for me as a teacher, you know. So I'm encouraging you to jump on this. Whatever year you're seeing this, jump on this, and you have a lot to benefit. All right, so follow me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.